Hi, welcome to the CYP stand. I'm Kevin Gray, Technical Director here at ISE 2019. I'm going to show you one of our new products. It's the PUV-1630TTX and its RX, the PUV-1610RX. This is a meeting room solution designed for the easiest possible installation and the easiest possible use by the end user. Power goes into the RX unit, which is of course situated near the television. Always power available there. This sends the power all the way over to our tabletop TTX unit. So the only thing going into this is the CAT cable. That's the only connection that's being made. On the unit itself, you have a VGA with analog audio and 2 HDMI. It's got auto switching technology and it also has auto conversion technology. So if you put in a signal that is beyond the capabilities of HDBaseT, it will automatically, without any user interaction at all, drop the signal to a lower level while either reducing the hertz rate or changing the color space from 444 to 420. So any signal that goes in will automatically be converted and come out the other end. Another fantastic feature of this product is it has CEC and RS-232 automation control. So you'll come in for your meeting and you simply connect your screen, your device, to the TTX. The TTX will auto switch to that signal, send the TV a message either via CEC or RS-232, turn the television on and turn it to the active channel. You then hold your meeting. If anybody else plugs in, it will automatically switch over to them. You finish your meeting and you simply remove your signal from the TTX and you can put the delay in there for how long you want, and after the amount of time, 30 seconds, 2 minutes, it will turn your television off. Incredibly easy to install, takes only a few minutes to configure, and incredibly easy for the end user to use. Perfect for our modern huddle space environments.